Welcome to the fascinating world of cryptocurrency. Ever wondered how digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum actually work? In this video, we're going to break down the complex world of cryptocurrency into simple, digestible pieces. Whether you're new to crypto or just want to understand the mechanics behind it, you're in the right place. Let's start with a quick history lesson. Money has evolved through 5 major stages. 1. Barter system. Exchanging goods directly without a standardized currency. 2. Precious metals. Coins made from gold, silver, and other valuable materials. 3. Paper money. Government-issued bills that represent value. 4. Digital banking. The era of credit cards and online transactions. 5. Cryptocurrency. The latest evolution, where money exists purely in digital form, secured by cryptography. Cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional money, cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning they aren't controlled by any central authority like a government or bank. Instead, they operate on a technology called blockchain, a public ledger that records every transaction across a network of computers. At its core, cryptocurrency relies on 3 main concepts. 1. Blockchain. Imagine a massive, shared spreadsheet that everyone in the world can see and verify, but no one can alter without everyone else knowing. 2. Mining. This is the process of verifying transactions and adding them to the blockchain. 3. Wallets. To store and manage your cryptocurrency, you need a digital wallet. So, why should you care about cryptocurrency? Here are a few reasons. 1. Decentralization. No middlemen, no banks, and no central authority. 2. Lower fees. Sending money across borders with traditional banks can be expensive. 3. Speed. Transactions can be completed in minutes, not days, regardless of where you're sending the money. 4. Security. Cryptography and the blockchain make it incredibly difficult for transactions to be tampered with or reversed. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Cryptocurrency also has its downsides. 1. Volatility. Prices can swing wildly in a short amount of time, making it a risky investment. 2. Limited acceptance. Not all businesses accept cryptocurrency yet, so its use is somewhat limited. 3. Regulation. Governments are still figuring out how to regulate cryptocurrencies, which could lead to changes in how they operate. 4. Environmental impact. Mining consumes a lot of energy, raising concerns about the environmental footprint of cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency isn't just about digital money. The technology behind it has led to innovations like NFTs, non-fungible tokens, which allow you to own unique digital items like art or music. And then there are altcoins, thousands of other cryptocurrencies with different features and purposes. Cryptocurrency is more than just a trend. It's a revolutionary way of thinking about money and ownership. While it has its challenges, the potential for change in how we transact and store value is immense. Whether you're here for the tech or the potential gains, understanding how cryptocurrency works is the first step in your journey. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content like this.